Okay students, welcome to my channel DPOJ classes, and this is the new chapter for 9th class. This is coordinate geometry, and first we have to know what is coordinate geometry. Then coordinate geometry is, if the geometry is studied using algebra, is called coordinate geometry. If the geometry is studied using algebra, means all the variables and constant. So second point is coordinates. What are coordinates? The ordered pair of x and y is called coordinate. If you are taking the value of x from the x-axis, and you are taking the value of y from the y-axis, and you can give the pair of x and y as pxy equals to p2 3. Here the value of x is 2 and value of y is 3. Then it is called coordinate. Okay, next point is Cartesian plane. The plane containing both axes, x-axis and y-axis, is called a Cartesian plane, and this is a Cartesian plane having both axes, x-axis, this is x-axis, and this is y-axis. This is horizontal axis, x, and this is vertical axis, y. Having the two parts, have one axis, as x-axis has two parts, first will be positive and second will be negative, and y-axis has two parts, first will be positive above the line and below the line is negative. So this is called Cartesian plane. Next point is origin. The point of intersection of y-axis and x-axis. This is x-axis and this is y-axis. If they cut at the point, the point of intersection of them is 0, that is O, and its origin, its coordinate is 0 0. Its coordinate is 0 0. So it is called origin. That means the point of intersection of x-axis and y-axis is origin. Next is quadrant. If a Cartesian plane is divided into 4 equal parts, as this is first part, this is second part, third part, and fourth part. There is first quadrant, and there is second quadrant, there is third quadrant, and there is fourth quadrant. And this is called sign convention for the quadrants. Sign convention for the quadrant. This is plus plus for first quadrant, minus plus for second quadrant, and minus minus for third quadrant, and plus minus for fourth quadrant. This is the sign convention for all the quadrants. They are first quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, and fourth quadrant. Okay, students, let's see abscissa and ordinate. The values of the x-axis is called abscissa. Means all the points on the x-axis is called abscissa, and ordinate means the values of the y-axis is called ordinate. Then if we are taking a point pxy as p2 3, then the value of x is 2 and value of y is 3. Then the value of abscissa is 2 and value of ordinate is 3. Then abscissa is 2 and ordinate is 3. I have written. Next point is plotting of points. Plotting of points on the graph paper. This will be the question in your book. So there is a question: plot the points 2 minus 3 minus 1 4 3 2 and 4 minus 1. We have taken two axes. We have drawn Cartesian plane. As x-axis and y-axis, there is positive sign of y-axis, there is positive sign of x-axis, there is negative sign of x-axis, and there is negative sign of y-axis. We have to plot all the points 2 minus 3 minus 1 4 3 2 and 4 minus 1. Then 2 minus 3, abscissa is 2 and ordinate is minus 3, means the value of x-axis is 2 and value of y is minus 3. Then value of x is 2 there, and value of ordinate is minus 3 will be there. Then join the dotted lines to this point. This will be a, denoted by a, 2 minus 3. This is the first point we have plotted. Next is minus 1 4. Minus 1 4. Minus 1 is there, and 4 is this point. Now join this. So this will be B minus 1, 4. This is the second point. Third is 3, 2. The value of x is 3. Then we have taken value of x is 3 and 2 will be there. And this will be C as 3, 2. And next is 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1. The value of x is 4. There is 4. And minus 1. There is minus 1. So this will be the point, and join this point with dotted lines from both 4 and minus 1. So this will be D as 4 and minus 1. Okay guys, this is the plotting of points, and now you can start your exercises in R.S. Agarwal and NCERT both. You can solve all the questions by this method, by this process, and if any you have problem, then you can comment in comment box.